Ahoy, mateys! Kitchen's in a right pickle. Ahoy there, food lovers! It's your old pal, Captain Cook here. Now, usually, you'd find me whipping up a storm in the galley. But today it's more like a storm whipped up in here. Everything's completely topsy-turvy. We've got tools scattered about like buried treasure on a desert island. There's dust flying thicker than sea spray in a hurricane. It's a right mess, I tell ya. But don't you worry, there's a method to this madness. We're giving the old galley a much-needed makeover. Time for a galley overhaul. After countless voyages across the culinary seas, it's time to give me ship a proper scrub. The old galley has served us well. We've shared countless laughs, culinary triumphs, and maybe a few burnt dishes too. But even the sturdiest ship needs a bit of sprucing up, right? We're talking shiny new surfaces, top-of-the-line cooking gear, the whole 9 yards. This is an investment for even more delicious adventures together. And trust me, you won't want to miss what we've got cooking. The adventure continues, with a twist. Now, while the hammers are banging and the paint's drying, I've got a little secret to share. For all these years, I've kept me true identity hidden under this here captain's hat. But with the new galley comes a new era. When we're back, I'm finally lifting the veil and revealing who's really behind Captain Cook. Who am I really? Well, you'll have to wait and see, but I promise it'll be worth the wait. Stay tuned, me hearties. Until then, I'm charting a course through the world's most exciting cuisines. Get ready for vibrant spices from the East, hearty flavors from the Mediterranean, and maybe even a taste of the Americas. This renovation is just a little detour on our culinary journey, so keep those appetites sharp and those subscriptions active. We'll be back before you know it, ready to explore the world of food together. Fair winds and following seas, me hearties.